Hello and good morning class 4. Welcome to the first class of computer. So let's get started with the first chapter, that is computer, storage and memory devices. Kids, already in class 3 we get to know what is a computer, but still let's have a brief look. A computer system is a highly organized system that processes data, which is a representation of facts, concepts or instructions. Kids, whatever the data we feed to the computer as input, computer take it as a raw data, processes it and gives a meaningful information as an output. So let's forward to the next topic, that is what is a data. In general, kids, anything we input in the computer is known as data. It can also be defined as a representation of facts, concepts or instruction in a formalized manner. You can say that if we feed 1 plus 1, that 1 plus 1 is the raw data and instruction for the computer. Kids, always remember a data can be in any form, whether it is in the alphabet, that is A to Z, whether it is in a digit, that is 0 to 9, or whether it is in a special character. Special character means any sign or symbol, like you are able to see in your screen as plus, minus, multiply, divide. Whatever the sign would be, it is also called a special character. Okay. Now, moving to the next topic, that is what is information. Data which is processed by the computer is called information. Always remember, in simple terms, data which is processed by a computer is called information. Kids, information is the organized or classified data which has some meaningful values. Just we already read 1 plus 1 is the raw data, but after receiving the result, that is 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 2 is the output meaningful value, that is what called information. Also, kids, information is the processed data on which decisions and actions are based. Kids, for the decision to be meaningful, we must qualify the following characteristics of information, that is timely, and information should be timeful and available at the time when it is very required. Accuracy means an information should contain the right documents or information. Completeness, incomplete information is never be used for taking any decision. Okay, kids, now let's moving forward to the data versus information topic. Data, raw figures and facts are known as data. Kids, for example, when a teacher collects the data of name of the students, their roll number, their class and sections, their marks obtained in examination are called as data. Now, information, the meaningful or processed data is called information. Kids, for example, when that teacher obtain the final results in the final report card, including the name of student, roll number, class, section and final marks obtained in the examination, that is information. You can see in the picture also the data which is processed, then it comes the information. The processed data is called information. Always remember, I am repeating again, the processed data is called information. Now kids, let's chalk out some points of difference between data and information. You can now see your screen. Data is the input and information is the output. Data is the unprocessed facts and figures, while information is a processed data. Data is a single unit. On the other hand, information is a group of data. Information is a group of data. Data is the raw material, while the information is the final product. Kids, today you have to note it down in your class copy, these points of differences between data and information, and let me show. Okay, kids, we all know that every physical quantity has an associated unit or measurement. When we go to any grocery shop, you used to weight it in the terms of kg. When we used to go any petrol pump, we used to measure the petrol in terms of liter. Likewise, in terms of data storage, the memory of computer is measured in terms of byte. Kids, remember, the amount of data stored in the computer is known as data storage. I am repeating it again. The amount of data stored in a computer is known as data storage. Kids, a computer never understands a human language. It only understands the machine language, that is known as binary language. The binary language is made up of binary digits or bits. The binary language is made up of what? Binary digits or bits. These binary digits comprise of two digits, that is 0 and 1. 0 means false. 0 means what? False. And 1 means true. Kids, what we input in the computer, we input in the human language, which is converted by the computer in its own machine language. But the result or output given by the computer is in again human language. So, I am repeating again, the processing of computer is done by its own language, that is binary language, and the input and output is in our language, that is human language. Now kids, come to the next topic, that is memory unit. The basic unit of measurement of data storage is bit, that is BIT, bit or binary digit. The storage capacity is expressed in the terms of byte, BYTE, byte. And this is the chart of various memory units. It is very, very important for you. You need to write it down into your class copy and learn it. Okay, so let's get started. Bit, abbreviation is B. Storage is binary digit 1 or 0. Nibble, abbreviation is nothing. Storage is 4 bits. 4 bits equals to 1 nibble. Now byte, 8 bits equals to 1 byte. Now next is kilobyte, abbreviation is KB. 1024 bytes equals to 1 KB. Now megabyte, abbreviation is MB. 1024 KB is equals to 1 megabyte. Now next is gigabyte, abbreviation is GB. 1024 megabyte equals to 1 gigabyte. Next is terabyte, abbreviation is TB. 1024 gigabyte equals to 1 terabyte. Next is petabyte, abbreviation is PB. Storage unit is 1024 TB equals to 1 petabyte. Now next is exabyte. 1024 petabyte equals to 1 exabyte, abbreviation is EB. Zettabyte, zettabyte abbreviation is ZB. 1024 EB equals to 1 zettabyte. Last one is yottabyte, abbreviation is YB. Storage unit is 1024 zettabyte equals to 1 yottabyte. Okay. Now kids, let's recapitulate what we read in today's class. First we have started with the small definition of a computer. Then we discussed data, information and what's their difference between. Now next that we read is data storage, and after that we read memory units. Note it down the memory unit chart onto your copy and show me. Till then, bye bye and take care.